looks like an old Montgomery. No indicator. I think it's low on oil. Bumpers. Lantern. Oh, I can't believe this thing got modded. Definitely looks like a Montgomery G&P. Grr. Oh, what the hell? It has a hatch. Or it's just a panel is loose. I don't. Here's your Adams key switch, your fixtures. Ew. Help link. It's a ThyssenKrupp phone. Oh, well, there you go. ThyssenKrupp contains it. Huh. Well, they definitely didn't do the mod. You guys didn't see anything, did you? Didn't think so. There's where an indicator could have gone, but there isn't one. Ooh, can you hear that? Oh my god, it had real problems leveling. This sucker's really low on oil. Nice bumpers. What a shame this thing is modded. It's a damn shame. Nice bumpers. Sounds like it's still relay controlled. How it looks holding to this building is really cool. But that's it.